If you've ever finished editing a design in Photoshop and needed to turn it into a JPG, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a PSD file to JPG in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. This is super useful when you want to share your work, upload it online, send it to a client, or create a smaller file size without losing too much quality. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, make sure your PSD file is already open in Photoshop. Once your project is ready, go to the top menu and click File. From there, choose Save a Copy. If you're using Windows, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Alt, and S. On a Mac, use Command, Option, and S. This is the fastest way to create a JPG version without changing your original PSD file. When the Save a Copy window appears, look for the Save as Type dropdown on Windows or the Format dropdown on Mac. Click it and then select JPEG from the list. This tells Photoshop that you want to export your file as a JPG image instead of keeping it as a layered PSD. Next, choose where you want to save the file. You can pick a folder on your computer, desktop, or any destination that's easy for you to find later. Then type in a file name for your new JPG. It's always a good idea to use a clear name so you can identify it quickly, especially if you're exporting multiple versions of the same project. After that, click Save. Photoshop will then open a JPEG Options window. This is where you control the image quality. You'll see a quality slider, and for the best results, I recommend setting it between 10 and 12, with 12 being the highest quality. If you want the sharpest image possible, choose Maximum. If you want a slightly smaller file size while still keeping strong quality, a setting around 10 or 11 can work really well. Once you've chosen your quality level, click OK. Photoshop will now save your PSD as a JPEG in the location you selected. And that's it. Your file is now exported as a JPEG and ready to use anywhere you need it. A quick tip before you go, always keep your original PSD file saved separately because JPEG files flatten your layers and can reduce editing flexibility later. So if you think you may need to make changes again in the future, keep both versions. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.